ProWritingAid Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Well, welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing my experience with the ProWritingAid Affiliate Program. If you're interested in joining or learning more about it, be sure to check out the links in the description below. ProWritingAid is an advanced writing tool designed to help writers improve their grammar, style, readability, and structure. Whether you're a novelist, blogger, business writer, or anyone who produces content, ProWritingAid can be a game changer in ensuring your writing is top-notch. The ProWritingAid Affiliate Program offers a fantastic opportunity for affiliates in niches like writing, blogging, and education. One of the things that sets the ProWritingAid Affiliate Program apart is its competitive commission structure. Affiliates can earn up to $30 per sale, depending on the plan purchased by the customer. In addition, they offer a 30-day cookie window, so if someone clicks your link and signs up later, you still get credited for the sale. Another standout feature is the quality of the product. ProWritingAid offers a comprehensive range of writing tools that cater to different needs. Their premium version offers in-depth reports, plagiarism checks, and integration with various platforms like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. This makes it an easy sell because it's a tool that provides significant value to users looking to refine their writing. What I love about the affiliate program is the variety of promotional materials available. ProWritingAid provides banners, text links, and other resources that are easy to integrate into your website, blog posts, or social media channels. You don't have to spend a lot of time creating your own assets, which is perfect for busy content creators. Lastly, the program is easy to join, and they offer timely payouts through PayPal, which is always a bonus. Plus, the product itself is a well-known and trusted name, making it easier to convert your audience into paying customers. In summary, the ProWritingAid Affiliate Program is a great option for anyone in the writing, content creation, or educational niches. With competitive commissions, a great product, and excellent support for affiliates, it's a program I highly recommend checking out. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for more details, and thanks for watching.